What is up, everybody? This is Mike over at FOUS Alerts. Today I'd like to have a brief discussion going over a technical indicator that has become more common over the years, especially for day traders, and that is the Vwap. Vwap stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and is a technical indicator that we use as day traders on the intraday scale. This is something that you really shouldn't be using on the daily chart or a longer term time frame. The Vwap is specifically used for a stock that has made moves on a volatile level on the intraday scale. So looking at the chart that I'd like to use as an example, everybody, is going to be IMNP. So essentially, don't really care what the calculation is or how to calculate Vwap. It's something that's irrelevant. What it basically means, guys, on an intraday level is when a stock is trending above the Vwap, it is considered bullish and a move trending to the upside. Once a stock is trending below the Vwap, the move is considered bearish and the stock is therefore trending to the downside. So to look at a really simple example, IMNP was a stock over the past week that ripped from $1.25 to about $2.65 in one day. This was basically a 100% move in one day. So looking at the shorter term time frame on the day of the huge rip, you can see this trended the Vwap and 13 EMA basically all of, which day was this? All of Wednesday. From 1 p.m. to basically the close, this never really broke the Vwap. So to be trying to short this name, guys, while it's trending above the Vwap is usually fighting the trend. Ideally, we'd like to see stocks confirm the move to the downside once they crack the Vwap, which was basically pretty evident going into Thursday. IMNP was gapping pre-market and then completely failed and broke the Vwap and crashed to the downside. It was basically down about 50% going into Thursday. But I want to show you guys how this traded most of the day Thursday as well as Friday. You can see that basically we were below the Vwap for most of the morning. We basically cracked above it briefly once we cracked 130, ripped to 145. But you can see then on Friday, this basically broke back below the Vwap and is trending back to the downside. So without getting too complicated, that's how you want to interpret it, guys. A stock that is above the Vwap is trending to the upside. A stock that is below the Vwap is trending to the downside. So how you can use it on an intraday level is if you are looking to short stocks that are trending above the Vwap, ideally you want to see them crack below and stay below the Vwap on increased volume. And then throughout the day, as the stock looks to basically tap the Vwap, you can use that as a reshort entry and use resistance above the Vwap as your stop. This is a type of trade we'd like to use for in the FOUS4 system, which is something that's also included in the FOUS4 x3 short DVD that's coming out soon. The Vwap has been a contemporary indicator that is being used more and more as day traders. So I definitely recommend that if you are an intraday day trader, you start to include this in your arsenal.